been feeling a little discombobulated lately? Do you feel like you have ants in your pants? That's because the solar eclipse in Leo is here with our wake up call. Oh, yes, it's time. We have been moving through a huge transition between the Piscean to the Aquarian Age. This is a 2,500 year cycle shift. And we have all come here to this planet at this time to fulfill our particular purpose. Each of us has our particular purpose to fulfill, and the universe is saying with this solar eclipse in Leo, it's time to get to it, people. So, I'm going to give us some tips so that we can step into our true, authentic self and our work, so that we can express our true, authentic self and our work. By doing this, we are helping the transition to the new age of Aquarius. By doing this, not only are we healing and aligning ourselves, but we are contributing to the healing and the aligning of all of our brothers and sisters of our entire planet. So now is the time. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take back our voice. Our voice is our power. Our voice, our speech is our magic. It's how we create. Each one of us is a divine being. Each one of us has been imbued with the ability to create. Each one of us has a right to abundance, to anything we want. And as I always say on the Soul Sister channel, the only reason we don't have the life of our dreams, our wonderful life, is because we get into our own way. So today, I'm going to help us start getting out of our own way so that we can embrace and express our true selves. And that will bring us so much happiness, so much fulfillment. And at the same time, we're contributing to the good of the whole. How you can't get better than that, right? All right. So our speech is our power. Speak our truth. From here forward, we're going to speak our truth. We are not going to compromise our truth so that we can fit into somebody else's story. The eclipse in Leo is saying, hey, it's time to tell our own story. So let's tell our own story. We begin by speaking our truth. Take our voice back. Only speak if it comes from love, abundance, and gratitude. Be discerning. Be focused. Be conscious of every word that comes out of our mouth, because every word is a vibration and goes out and affects the entire whole. Not only that, it goes out and it tracks more speech, more energy like itself, and brings it back. Speak our truth. That's number one. Pay very close attention to the words coming out of our mouth. They are very, very powerful. Make sure that they're only being used to create love, abundance, and gratitude. And they're not used to create unworthiness, fear, and lack. Number two, do not compromise ourselves. Again, I go back to my favorite topic, boundaries. We have to have our boundaries moving forward. Make sure we are clear what our boundaries are. Make sure we honor our own boundaries, as well as honoring the boundaries of others. If I don't take phone calls after 9 o'clock, I don't take phone calls after 9 o'clock. I'll talk to you tomorrow. That is a simple boundary. That's a good place to start. Another thing with boundaries especially with Leo. We're going to tend to bite off more than we can chew. So we can take care of everyone's problems, right? We're going to fix it all. But we have to remember we can only do so much. Be very clear of what we can and cannot do and respect our boundaries. If we bite off more than we can chew, we are messing up everybody's boundaries. We are causing more angst in everyone's lives because we're not working together. Respect our boundaries. Respect the other's boundaries. 2 steps now to take with us as we get our wake-up call, as we move forward to creating the life that we want, the life of our dreams. And when we create the life of our dreams, you guys, we have fulfilled our purpose on this life journey. So that's what we're going for. We have to come back to self. We have to start from within. The outer world is not going to help us on this one, guys. And the past is not going to help us on this, you guys. We have to come back to self. We have to look to that inner guide, to our intuition, our connection to our higher self, that connection to our divinity to help guide us forward. We're going to take our true self out into the world. We are going to have the courage to be who we truly are in all our weirdness, in all our quirkiness. We will find that that weirdness and that quirkiness is actually, those are our strengths. So don't cover them up anymore. Express our uniqueness to the outer world. Take the masks off. Be who we truly are. 3. And then one more thing. With this Leo energy, it's time to tap into our creativity. Not only is our imagination brimming with incredible ideas about how we can actually move forward and create that life we want, it also is unlocking all kinds of artistic feelings and emotions, and we want to physically express that. So even though we think we suck, we might, I don't know, it doesn't matter. Take this opportunity to write it down, draw it, paint it, sing it, play it. Express our creativity, no matter what it looks like. Universe doesn't care. Universe just likes to see us create something that is positive and healing and evolving, that expresses light, love, and the will to good. So take that out. Take our creativity out. Okay, guys, this is it. Those ants in our pants are giving us the signal. It's our wake-up call. We've been activated. It's time to embrace and express who we truly are and our life purpose. And if we can't figure out what that is, we're just going to look at what rings our chimes. What is our passion? What is it that we love to do? That is our clue to what our purpose is. But we have got to get up off our butts and get going. If we're feeling discombobulated now, we got ants in our pants now, if we don't take this call, if we don't begin to do the work, we're going to fall into more frustration, more deep depression, more exhaustion, because we aren't fulfilling the work that we came to do. So get moving. Take every day, check in with our higher self in our sacred space, wherever, however that looks for us. Connect with our higher self. Do the 3 breaths. Do the affirmation that I'm going to give us in a minute. Take time and connect. We're going to get our information and our guidance from our intuition. We're not getting it from out there anymore. That's done. That's past. We're moving into a whole new age, you guys. So we got to come back here to the inside. This is where we'll find our guidance going forward. So we have to make sure we're taking time every day to hook up with that so we know what the hell's going on. So that is our work. Speak our truth. Speak our truth. Don't compromise ourselves. Don't compromise ourselves. Find our power. Take our power back. Our power to create. Create what we want, not what the other wants. It's time to create our own story. Our own story moving forward. And as we create our own story, we contribute to the whole. It is truly amazing. So let's get to it, get off our butts, and let's do our work. We're going to get started. We're going to take 3 deep cleansing breaths. We're going to say our Sun in Leo affirmation. We're going to take these soul tools with us. We're going to use them this week to help keep us balanced and aligned if we find ourselves a little discombobulated. We're going to use the affirmation to remind ourselves of who we truly are and what we're here to do. So let's get started. Let's take our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we will disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On this second breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. Let's take one more. On this third deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness, negativity, toxicity. It's all flowing out of our bodies to wherever it came from, whatever it came from. In its place, we're being filled with this incredible light made up of white light, love, and goodwill. Not only does it fill our entire bodies, it's also protecting us. It's deflecting all that evil, all that low vibration, all that negativity right back to where it came from. While we're in this space of white light connected with our higher selves, we will say our Sun in Leo affirmation. I am the ruler of my world. I choose to rule with love, abundance, and gratitude. We'll say the affirmation. We'll stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds, but let's try to do at least 5 minutes a day at home. Let's say the affirmation together. I am the ruler of my world. I choose to rule with love, abundance, and gratitude. Good stuff. And if we keep forgetting, we will forget who we are many times this week. It always happens. The 3 blessed breaths, the affirmations, they bring us back to our true, authentic self. They bring us back to alignment right now so that we can move forward as our true selves and not compromising our voice, our power, our fire. We're taking it back, and we're going to use it to create the life we want. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat. I do daily inspirational oracle messages that help keep us balanced and aligned and connected to our higher selves during the day. I also like to post interesting memes that make us think outside of the box, get a new perspective, and also offer guidance and direction if we're feeling a little bit lost. So come check me out at Soul Sister Cat on Facebook, and don't forget to check out the Soul Sister channel every Sunday at 10 o'clock. I come out with new videos working with the astrological energy for the week ahead and working with it so that we can consciously create the life we want. And don't forget the keynote of the Soul Sister channel. It's the magic elixir of life. Life is lived from the inside out. Okay, guys, go out there, embrace, express our true, authentic self. Take back our voice. Take back our power. Take back our fire. And let's move it forward. Namaste.